Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous beach fashion choices of the one and only Madhumita Sarkar. Known for her impeccable style, Madhumita effortlessly combines comfort and chic vibes when hitting the shores. So, without further ado, let's explore her beachy wardrobe. First up, we have Madhumita's go-to beach look, a stunning floral maxi dress. The vibrant colors and flowy silhouette make it perfect for a leisurely stroll along the coastline or a beachside brunch with friends. The actress is no stranger to rocking trendy swimwear. Whether it's a classic one-piece or a stylish bikini, she knows how to make a splash. Her choice of bold patterns and vibrant hues truly sets her apart on the sandy shores. Madhumita doesn't shy away from adding a touch of glam to her beach outfits. Oversized sunglasses, a wide-brimmed hat, and statement earrings are her essentials for that effortlessly chic beach babe look. The beauty loves to layer with lightweight, sheer fabrics like a stylish kimono or a breezy sarong. It's the perfect way to transition from the beach to a beachside cafe with ease. The actress Sarkar proves that beach fashion is all about expressing your unique style while staying comfortable. Whether it's a casual day under the sun or a glamorous beach party, her wardrobe choices are nothing short of fabulous. Madhumita in a classic black bikini, a timeless choice that exudes sophistication and complements the natural beauty of the sea. The simple yet elegant design allows her to embrace the sun and surf with a touch of understated glamour. As the waves dance around her, envision Madhumita stepping into the spotlight with a vibrant tropical print bikini. Bold patterns, lush colors, this choice not only captures the essence of a beach paradise but also radiates her playful spirit, turning the shoreline into her personal runway. Whether it's a crochet bikini adding a bohemian touch or a ribbed design that adds subtle sophistication, each choice showcases her keen eye for detail and her ability to make a splash with textures. Accessories play a key role in elevating her bikini looks. Picture her in oversized sunglasses, a wide-brimmed hat, and a delicate body chain, each accessory carefully chosen to enhance the allure of her beach ensemble and add a touch of glamour to her seaside adventures. And as the sun begins to set, the beauty transitions seamlessly into evening beach glam. Imagine her in a stylish cover-up, whether it's a sheer kimono, a breezy sarong, or a flowing maxi dress, the perfect accompaniment to her beach chic persona as she embraces the twilight by the water. Her quintessential beach look, a breathtaking floral maxi dress. Picture this, vibrant blooms dancing in the breeze, the flowy silhouette embracing the sun-kissed vibes. It's the epitome of seaside elegance, ideal for a leisurely promenade or a casual beachside soiree. The actress effortlessly navigates the waves of style with an array of choices, from timeless one-pieces that exude sophistication to playful bikinis adorned with bold patterns and hues that mirror the ocean's brilliance. She's a vision of seaside allure. Accessories play a pivotal role in her beach ensembles. Behold the oversized sunglasses that shield against the sun's rays, the wide-brimmed hat casting a glamorous shadow, and statement earrings that echo the rhythm of crashing waves. It's a symphony of style under the sun. The actress embraces the art of layering with beach cover-ups that seamlessly transition from sand to street. Picture her donning a chic kimono or a breezy sarong, the epitome of laid-back elegance, a perfect companion for post-beach escapades. She leaves an indelible mark on beachwear. Her choices effortlessly blend comfort, glamour, and individuality. Whether it's a carefree day basking in the sun or a glamorous beachside affair, Madhumita's style reigns supreme. Her collection boasts an array of airy, sun-kissed dresses that effortlessly transition from the shoreline to the beachside cafe. Think bohemian prints, off-shoulder silhouettes, and playful ruffles, a testament to her impeccable taste in beach day chic. Footwear takes center stage as Madhumita steps into the sandy runway. Sandals adorned with shells, espadrilles that echo the laid-back coastal vibe, her choices not only complement her ensemble but also add that extra touch of seaside flair to her every step. And who could forget the beach hats? Her beach hat game is strong, showcasing an impressive collection of wide-brimmed hats, straw hats, and floppy hats. Each hat seems to narrate a story of sunny adventures and salty breezes, completing her ensemble with panache. As the sun sets, the beauty seamlessly transitions into evening beach glamour. Picture her in a sophisticated beach jumpsuit or a stylish maxi skirt paired with a chic crop top. It's a harmonious blend of comfort and elegance, perfect for those twilight beach gatherings. In the grand finale, her beach fashion choices stand as a testament to her versatility and creativity. From daytime strolls to sunset soirees, her wardrobe is a treasure trove of inspiration for those seeking to elevate their beach fashion game. Madhumita's collection boasts a variety of cover-ups that effortlessly transition her beach ensemble from day to dusk. Flowing kaftans, crochet tunics, and sheer wraps, each one a carefully chosen piece, adding an extra layer of allure to her beach repertoire. Her beach accessories take center stage. Picture her adorned with layered bohemian necklaces, stacked bracelets, and anklets that jingle with each step. It's a harmonious symphony of accessories that captures the essence of laid-back coastal glam. Her arm candy choices range from oversized totes to stylish straw bags, each one serving as both a practical accessory and a fashion statement. A well-chosen bag completes her beach ensemble with an effortless touch of sophistication. Her beach wardrobe undergoes a captivating transformation. Picture her in a flowing, ethereal beach gown, perhaps adorned with sequins or subtle embroidery. It's the epitome of evening elegance against the backdrop of the moonlit waves. Let's zoom in on her swimwear collection, where each piece tells a story of its own. From classic monochromes that exude timeless sophistication to playful prints and daring cutouts, her swimsuits are a celebration of individuality and confidence beneath the sun's warm embrace. The sand beneath her feet becomes a runway as Madhumita introduces us to her beach footwear essentials. Gladiator sandals, espadrilles with a touch of bohemian flair, and slides adorned with beachy charms, her choices effortlessly blend style and comfort, leaving footprints of fashion along the shore. As the ocean breeze weaves through her beachy locks, Madhumita's hair accessories come into focus. Whether it's a tropical flower tucked behind her ear, a stylish wide-brimmed hat with a coordinating ribbon, or a delicate headband, her choices elevate beach hair into an art form, the piece de resistance, her evening beachwear. Picture her in a flowy, ethereal beach gown, the fabric catching the moonlight as she gracefully glides along the shoreline. Sequins shimmer, and silhouettes dance, her nighttime beach glamour is nothing short of enchanting. Let's delve into the realm of beach hats, an essential element of her seaside charm. From oversized floppy hats that exude drama to straw hats adorned with playful accents, each hat is a statement piece, casting an enchanting spell under the sun's golden rays. As the waves kiss the shoreline, her jewelry choices come into focus. Picture delicate anklets that chime with every step, layered bracelets that capture the essence of boho chic, and rings that sparkle like the sun dancing on the water. Her beach accessories are a symphony of seaside elegance. From lace kimonos that add a touch of romance to sheer sarongs that flirt with the ocean breeze, each cover-up becomes a canvas for her artistic expression. It's a harmonious blend of practicality and style as she effortlessly transitions from beach to boardwalk. The beach sunset becomes a backdrop for her evening ensembles. Enter the realm of beach jumpsuits and stylish maxi skirts paired with chic crop tops. Sequins, lace, and ethereal fabrics take center stage, transforming her look into a mesmerizing dance of elegance as twilight unfolds. Her beach wardrobe stands as a testament to her innate ability to infuse every moment with style. From sunrise to sunset, her beach fashion choices are a symphony of creativity, comfort, and timeless allure. Let's spotlight her sunglass collection, a vital facet of her beach ensemble. From classic aviators that exude timeless cool to oversized frames that add a touch of Hollywood glam, her sunglasses not only shield against the sun but also elevate her beach looks with a dash of sophistication. Picture her strolling along the shore with a straw tote filled with beach essentials, a book, sunscreen, and perhaps a stylish sarong. Each tote becomes a statement piece, blending practicality with a touch of seaside flair. As the sea breeze plays with her beachy locks, Madhumita's hair accessories become a captivating part of the narrative. Whether it's a delicate seashell hairpin, a floral crown, or a bohemian scarf elegantly tied, her choices mirror the free-spirited essence of beach life. The spotlight shifts to her evening beachwear. Enter the realm of beach cover-ups that seamlessly transition from day to night. Think sheer kaftans adorned with intricate embroidery or a stylish jumpsuit that effortlessly combines comfort with evening allure. Her beach wardrobe emerges as a testament to her keen eye for detail. Every accessory, from sunglasses to totes and hair adornments, weaves a narrative of coastal sophistication, elevating her beach style to an art form. Madhumita's go-to travel ensembles. Picture her in the timeless combination of a chic jumpsuit, comfortable sneakers, and a versatile jacket. This ensemble effortlessly transitions from airport terminals to city streets, embodying both comfort and sophistication. Her travel essentials include versatile pieces like a classic white shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, and a multifunctional scarf. Mix and match is the mantra, ensuring she's ready for any adventure that awaits. Footwear takes center stage in her travel wardrobe. Comfortable yet stylish sneakers for city explorations, strappy sandals for leisurely strolls, and perhaps a pair of chic ankle boots for those unexpected chilly evenings, her choices are a testament to practicality without compromising on style. Accessories play a vital role in elevating her travel looks. A statement hat for sun-drenched destinations, a stylish backpack for hands-free exploration, and a pair of oversized sunglasses to add a touch of glamour. Each accessory is carefully selected to complement her journey with flair. The actress seamlessly transitions into evening elegance. Enter the realm of versatile dresses that effortlessly go from day to night, paired with statement earrings and a clutch. It's a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication, capturing the essence of travel chic. Let's spotlight Madhumita's airport attire, a masterclass in chic comfort. Visualize her in a tailored blazer layered over a cozy knit, paired with sleek leggings and stylish yet comfortable slip-on shoes. It's a look that effortlessly transitions from the plane to the cityscape awaiting her arrival. As we peer into her suitcase, a curated collection of travel-friendly essentials comes to light. Picture versatile pieces like a convertible dress that adapts to different occasions, a lightweight trench coat for unpredictable weather, and a spacious yet chic weekender bag that's both practical and stylish. Footwear becomes a key player in her travel ensemble. Whether it's strappy sandals for a day of sightseeing, classic white sneakers for exploring urban landscapes, or ankle boots that add a touch of edge to her evening looks, each pair is chosen with the destination's vibe in mind. Accessories take center stage as the beauty embarks on her global adventures. A wide-brimmed hat for sun-soaked destinations, a statement belt to cinch a loose dress, and a collection of scarves that add a pop of color. Her accessories echo the spirit of each locale, creating a visual diary of her travels. And as the sun dips below the horizon, Madhumita transforms her daytime explorations into an evening affair. Think elegant maxi dresses, chic blouses paired with tailored trousers, and perhaps a touch of metallic jewelry to add a hint of glamour to her travel nights. Madhumita exploring diverse cultures in a carefully chosen kimono, a symbolic nod to her respect for the destinations she visits. Paired with comfortable yet stylish wide-leg pants and a simple camisole, this ensemble effortlessly blends fashion with cultural appreciation. A curated collection of day-to-night essentials comes to light. Imagine a reversible wrap dress that adapts seamlessly to different settings, a foldable hat for both practicality and style, and a compact, multi-purpose travel shawl that doubles as a statement accessory. Footwear becomes an art form in her travel repertoire. Envision her exploring ancient streets in comfortable espadrilles, navigating bustling markets in versatile flats, and embracing a touch of glamour with low-heeled ankle boots for evening escapades. Each pair chosen not just for style but for the demands of the journey. Accessories become a cultural ambassador as Madhumita immerses herself in new landscapes. Whether it's donning handcrafted jewelry from a local artisan, draping a traditional scarf over her shoulders, or carrying a woven bag that pays homage to the craftsmanship of the region, each accessory is a conversation starter, celebrating the beauty of diversity. The actress seamlessly transitions into evening allure. Picture her in a flowing maxi dress that captures the spirit of the locale, perhaps adorned with subtle embroidery or vibrant patterns. The ensemble is completed with statement earrings that reflect the elegance of the night. And there you have it, Madhumita Sarkar's beach fashion choices decoded. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.